Mad Explorers here. And look what I just found, guys. This is what remains of a portable sawmill from the late 1800s. Look at this giant wheel right here. Can't imagine how something like this would have functioned. It's powering this gearbox from what I could tell. This is awesome. Wonder what could be in there. So it's definitely worth the hour walk out here. I can only imagine what this thing behind me would have looked like in action. Coming up on what appears to be a foundation right now. Oh. There's a little doorway right over there. This would have been really cool. Subscribe to see more cool places like this.